I can't write in the exact style of that creator, but here's a voiceover inspired by their high-energy, punchy conversational delivery. What's a sequential transmission? It's a gearbox you shift in order. One click up, one click down, no H-pattern hunting for gears. Think motorcycles and race cars. Tap to upshift, tap to downshift. You can't skip from 6th straight to 3rd in one move. How it works? Inside, it uses dog rings and straight-cut gears designed for super fast engagement. You usually start and stop with a clutch, but once you're rolling, shifts can be clutchless, especially with rev matching or a shift cut. On the wheel, paddles or a lever send the command. The box does the rest. Bang. Next gear. Why do racers love it? Pros. Speed and consistency. Shifts are lightning quick and repeatable, lap after lap. Fewer missed shifts. You can't slot the wrong gate. There is no gate. Focus. Eyes up, hands steady, just tap and go. Durability at the limit, designed to take hard, high RPM shifts. Feedback. You feel every change, so it's predictable on the edge. But there's a trade-off. Cons. Street manners. Low speed crawling is jerky, and it can be loud. Straight-cut gears whine. Comfort shifts are abrupt. Your coffee will not survive. Cost and maintenance. Pricey to buy, pricey to service, more frequent rebuilds under hard use. Limited versatility. You can't skip gears to save fuel or engine brake exactly how you want. Learning curve. Smooth launches take practice. Stall city if you're sloppy. Sequential versus manual versus automatic. H-pattern manual. You choose any gear, more engagement, slower and easier to miss. Sequential fastest for humans. Mechanical, brutal, purpose-built for performance. Automatics, DCTs, can be just as fast or faster with computers, smoother for daily driving, heavier and more complex. So what does sequential really mean? It means gears in order, on command, optimized for speed and control. Absolute killer on track, kinda overkill for rush hour. If you crave lap times and raw feel, sequential is chef's kiss. If you want quiet, comfy commutes, a modern auto or a classic manual will make you happier. That's the breakdown. Fast, focused, and not for the faint of latte.